Good evening and welcome back to the channel. Tonight we have a very special episode because we're in front of schedule. We are having the unboxing of a parts arrival for Richard. So Richard, would you like to tell us what we're going to be looking at tonight?
Well, as previously mentioned in the previous video, we have now got in our hot hands the turbo that was done by Precision Turbo in Sydney there, and so we've got that, and we've also got the Intercooler Stage 1 kit by Plasma Man. So we've got, and a Manifold. Manifold came from Precision as well. So we've got those parts, and that's the bulk of the parts besides the exhaust that we need to make lPi to turbo. So very exciting to have most of the parts in, and yeah, we're going to unbox them tonight.
Excellent. So we're actually broadcasting tonight's video from Club Barra Clubhouse. We're just in the back storage room making a broadcast. So apologies also for a couple of weeks of no videos. I did film a couple of hours of a cruise, only to find that when I got home my GoPro didn't record anything, so I was a bit cranky about that. Then I got really sick, and then I got tested for COVID, but I'm back with a vengeance. So yeah, we're going to try and keep it a bit more regular. Also, thanks to all the new subscribers, I've noticed you guys popping up. So yeah, we definitely want to keep the content up. So righto, let's get on with it. So Rich, which part would you like to pick first?
Oh, I'd love to go for the turbo, having not seen it myself.
Okay, we'll just...
Let's slide this box over here. This is not much really to look at because it's pretty much stock turbo, but Precision
turbo nonetheless.
Turbos told me that it's well suited now because it's been modified to lPi, which means it'll make it even more or as economical as turbo can be, and it'll
also boost the torque.
Yeah, this is the actual one, same design as what has been put on John's from Precision, so I've got his exact specs.
Okay, so we'll first we'll have a look at the turbo here. I'm a bit of a noob, so I do know this is the hot side and this is the cold side. We've got a Garrett here, and she's a beaut.
Yeah, won't be any sharp play there. That's a new.
Yeah, she's brand new. Yeah, so looking forward to get bolting this on, and once we get this on, we're sort of, how much are we looking at trying to achieve with this?
What was the numbers?
240 at the wheel. So
no,
that was the current state we can get. So
yeah, no, it's going up to 300.
So hopefully by Christmas we should be running 300 kilowatts at the wheels. Yeah, I don't want to be an idiot and talk much more about it because
I don't know much about it.
I can say the Garrett. Look, it's a Garrett.
Yeah.
And I can go, look, it's got no shaft play because it's new. But yeah, she's a beaut. So
should we move on to the manifold? This is just a manifold.
Okay, so as you can see, this is what we'll be bolting onto the manifold. Might even have a competition if you can tell us what kind of turbo this is.
There's a manifold coming out of some plastic.
Okay. And also with the turbo, we've also got the handy kit, little pack here stuck to it that it won't come off. Oops. As you can see, we get the two gaskets. Nope. We've got here, one for there, and another one for the oil feed line. So that all comes together with it, with this all from Precision Turbos.
Yeah, so John from Precision was also able to give us a manifold, which was nice, and also a bit of custom piping that's not available in the Plasma Man Stage 1 kit. They're the pipes that the Plasma Man kit doesn't come with that go around the back, because the airbox is located in the original spot. You need to get the air over the back to the turbo, so that's what's going to get us over there.
So these don't actually come with the Plasma Man kit.
So yeah, John was nice.
It was very kindly supplied by CMS Motorsport in Sydney to help us along with the project. Plug.
Yeah, they actually donated by Giant Precision. But
Yeah, well actually free gifts. It's the actual channel's first free gift we didn't have to beg for. So thank you very much, John from CMS.
Precision.
Precision, sorry, too many Joes.
Joes and Johns.
Okay, so this is an FG manifold, I believe.
Judging by the pink writing that came from the wreckers, I would say it is.
Nice. So this is just totally stock FG manifold.
Yeah. You need one of those when you don't have a turbo to start with. You
So yeah, we're going to remove the the Eco lPi stock manifold. And it's funny because I've just bought a new manifold for my B series, and it's funny to see the differences between the FG and the BF. I mean, even so small, but this is noticeably different to the one on my car. But anyway, so yeah, that's part number 2 of the plan. We'll have to double nut all of these because you know what it's like when you take your manifold off and everything's about to loose and about to fall off. Welcome to my world. So
should we go to the Plasma Man now?
Okay, so we'll put this down here next to all the rest of the parts and we will grab the Plasma Man.
Okay.
Or edit it and cut that bit out.
I'm not having the camera.
What's that?
Not enough the camera.
No, I got it.
Just on there. Okay. I'll have this box.
It's not going to fall, or should we be proactive and move stuff?
No, that's alright. We won't sit on there. It's too big.
For sure, I think.
Yeah, I guess we could be proactive. The manifold? Quite so, but okay, we'll take
Just.
Here we are with part 3 of unboxing. This is Plasma Man Stage 1 Intercooler kit. And packaging followed by a bag full of handy silicone bits that will join all your pipes together.
And inside the actual bag, if you have a look closely, actually the most important thing inside the bag is your Plasma Man sticker just here. So there's also clamps with all the joiners, so I can see roughly 1 clamp for each end of each pipe. So that's also a pretty good setup they got in there, everything you need, plus the ultra important Plasma Man sticker, which Richard will be running across his back window.
And here we have the piping, which you can see, there's a little bit of exposed here, is black. So you pay extra for that, you get some black piping.
To gain that extra couple of degrees
And
cooler.
under all this piping, and the silicone bag, which has got the very important sticker in. No, I don't need that bit of pipe, it's okay.
We can edit that out.
Is
Okay, so under the mounds of packaging we've got here, this is my favourite bit of having a turbo apart from the power.
Plasma Man in Sydney make these guys put them together. It's not the biggest, but it is capable of.
What's its flow rate? What's its
I
flow?
can't remember the numbers now. You say like maybe 700 horsepower.
Nice.
I don't talk in horsepower, but he said it was about 700 horsepower rated too. So in here is, you're going to see shortly.
You got the end?
Yeah.
And this is why Richo wins the Intercooler war on the channel, because his is black.
Black.
Oh, look at it, check it out.
You have to pay extra for that as well.
Pay extra. But yet again, I've also seen the Mighty Car Mods episode where they prove it's not just a joke, painting it black does gain. So, double gains. It's got here Plasma Man Pro Series Intercooler.
Right there. Yep. and yeah, that'll do it for the lPi, right up to 300 odd kilowatts at the wheels. So
then, you know, the next video I think we'll have coming up will be us pulling probably the front bar off.
Yeah, because there's a bit of effort in putting these in because there's something in the way. It's the power steering cooler. It's not majorly in the way. I think you just pull it forward without tweaking the pipes, and it'll slide straight in there in between that and the air conditioning thing. So yeah.
It looks mighty fine, and being black with all the black piping, it's going to look pretty neat under the bonnet. So yeah, cosmetics are very important.
And stickers.
And the stickers, so yeah, he'll be definitely going for mod of the week that week when the sticker goes on. We'll take the trophy home.
So there you go, the parts have come in. Only one more big part required, and that's an exhaust, and then it's off to the tuners. Oh, there's a few other things we need too, like I need to get a turbo sump so I can have some water and
Oil return
oil,
lines.
all that sort of going on. So yeah, there you have it.
But we're over the major hurdle.
Yep.
And keeping in word with our channel to what we say we generally try and do. Except for uploading videos every Saturday. But yeah, no. So thanks for coming back, guys. Thanks for cut. I'll cut that out because I was pretty good at that. Okay, well, we'll probably wrap it up now because we've seen all the new parts. I'm mighty excited, I must say. I can't wait to just see it all. Well, I can't wait till it's finished, but I'm certainly going to enjoy and hopefully a whole lot of footage out of this journey of building this. So, Richo, thanks for kicking it along.
No worries. Yeah.
And,
looking forward to it too.
Yeah, so we'll wrap it up here in the lounge of the Barra World Clubhouse. Bonus points if you can tell us where we actually are. And Tim, you're not allowed to say where we are. Okay, so thanks, Rich.
Thanks, Chris.
Anything else to say before we sign off?
Oh no, I'm just really excited to get this underway and can't wait till we get to tuning time. So.
Awesome. And I just want to clarify, as much as I never want to start any shit fights, but just wanted to clarify that this is an actual factory Eco lPi Falcon, and it's going to be running factory computer, and so it's not just a turbo gas engine. Kudos and well done to the people that have previously done it before us, and we're certainly not the first person to do this, but we're giving it a squirt because that's what we're sort of interested in, turbos, and for years we've had an interest in gas and turbo. So yeah, hopefully we can get this up and running not too long away, and yeah, we'll be stoked as proud as punch. So anyway, I'll stop talking, but thanks very much for coming back. I won't be too long, but like I said, I hope to have in the next week some more driving videos of various cars, and I did a video today of another Ford, which I won't mention until I get it edited, but yeah, thanks for coming back, and look forward to the next episode when we'll be pulling the FG apart and getting stuck into it. Thanks very much for tuning in.
Thank you.